Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this X-Sense combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with LCD display. The ultimate home safety expert. The model is SC07. Well, let's see some of the key features. Detects both smoke and carbon monoxide levels in a surrounding air. High performance photoelectric sensor and CO sensor for high sensitivity, accuracy and reliability. Extra loud buzzer with over 85 decibel volume for guarantee alarming. Manufactured in accordance with the EN standards. Real-time display of the accurate CO concentration on the LCD. High capacity sealed lithium battery for 10 years of reliable operation. Nice all that. Let's open to see what we have inside and how we can install it and see how it looks, everything, all the specs. Nice, beautiful. Oh, this is huge. We've got the mounting base. Attention, once assembled, the device can no longer be switched off. Oh. Some screw inside for assembly. The manual. Thank you for choosing X-Sense. Our helpful customer service team is here to make sure that you are completely satisfied. Thank you. All the emails and information that you want. And there is the manual. If you want to read it, it is your choice, but I will strongly recommend you to read this instruction because there are too many things to know about this unit, because it has an LCD display, it has some codes inside. Every time that something happens, you need to know what is all these codes. And that's why you need to just open the manual, take 5 minutes of your life, just read it, and you will find out more interesting information. Well, at the unit, nice and beautiful. And in the unit it says, important, refer to owner's manual for operating instruction. Do not paint, one twist off. Battery not replaceable, see instruction manually. Replace the device within 10 years after the day of installation. That means this device, it will be dead after 10 years, more or less. I hope I will be okay to find out if it will work 10 years. Around we can see we've got plenty holes. It will ensure that smoke triggers the alarm instead of interference by taking 3 separate smoke samples from the surrounding air. Nice. The alarm uses 3-color LED indicator, red, green, yellow. Green for power, red for alarm, yellow for fault. Combined with the alarm sound, making it easy for you to check the alarm status. The practical LCD display will indicate real-time carbon monoxide concentration in the surrounding air, as well as the remaining battery life and working status of the alarm. And because it has a battery that it can last 10 years, definitely you will not have any problem if you've got no power at your home. You can install it and in a place where there is no power. Thumbs up. Now from the back we can see we've got the deactivate and on. That means if you want to deactivate this device permanently, just take a screwdriver, turn it that in a deactivation mode, and the device, it will be dead and you need to replace the alarm. We've got the test silence. If I'm going to press it once, we can see we've got here at the display 0 ppm, the battery, and CO. And if I push the test, it is calculating. Oh, the sound is very loud. Oh my god. It's calculating again. Pass. Great. Now the installation is very easy. Just mount it that at the ceiling. If you're going to mount it at the ceiling, you need to have 50 centimeters between corners, and at the wall definitely more than 20 centimeters from the wall, 20 to 30 centimeters. Well, I think it's time to move on for installation and see how it looks in our ceiling. Easy installation of the wall and turn, and we're okay. Now let's make the ultimate test with a fire. And we can see fire is on. Call 911. Don't try this at home, guys. And silent. All the test has happened in a safety environment. And we've got 118, 126 ppm. There is still enough smoke in the surroundings. 133. Well, let's open a window to come a fresh air inside. Well, safety it matters the most, and definitely this device, it can protect our family, in our home, in our place where we are going to install this device. As we can see at the test, at the first 10 seconds when a smoke is detected, a light amount of smoke, it triggers the alarm. Something that I would like to have this device is a Wi-Fi, and if this fire will happen when we are outside, I would like somehow to inform me to have a notification to my smartphone. But definitely right now it's doing a great job and is detecting the smoke. If you need to consider to buy such kind of device for your home, down below to the description is all about this product, where you can find it, and I have added a discount coupon. XSense has many other products. You may consider to check it out and see if some of their products are suitable for you, and you may buy it to have it at your place and feel more safe. That was all, guys. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.